Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide your number on your Facebook account. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now tap on Personal Information. Then tap on Contact Info. Here you can see that my number is now public. Now tap on your number. Now tap on Public to change the privacy. Now select Only Me and then go back. Now go back again. And here you will see that your number is now set to Only Me and only you can see your number. And that's how you can hide your mobile number on Facebook. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.